Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from my Delish cookbook, and it's loaded baked potato soup. So it does say to cube up 4 russet potatoes, and I think I just got ginormous ones. I definitely had way too many potatoes, if that's a thing, but I'll show you here in a moment once I realized when it was going south. But I have a tablespoon of butter and some garlic that I'm whisking together. Once all that melts, I'm going to add in some flour and some milk and continue to whisk that for about 5 minutes until it starts to thicken. And then once it gets thick, you can add in the potatoes. And I noticed pretty early on that the potato to liquid ratio seemed way off. But for whatever reason, I went with it anyways, which I shouldn't have done. But you'll see the potatoes kind of sticking out of the water or out of the milk mixture for a little bit. So I had to constantly stir it and keep rotating it so it would try to cook evenly. I seasoned that really heavily with salt and pepper and cooked that for about 25 minutes. I kept checking on it to see when the potatoes were tender. Then you could add in the cheese and the green onions at this point. I left the green onions out until the end because my family doesn't like them, only I do. But then it's done. You could top it with more cheese, green onions, bacon. You could put sour cream on top, anything you'd like. So that's how it turned out. And if you'd like to give it a try, I'll put the recipe below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.